In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off keyboard sounds on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, just scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics. And that's where, if you scroll down a bit more, you will find the option Keyboard Feedback. It says Sound and Haptic here, and if we enter that option, we'll be able to configure it. If your keyboard makes a sound while you're typing, that's where you can easily turn that sound off by toggling off the button next to Sound. If you would like to also turn off haptic, you can easily do so as well in that simple way. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.